Hello everyone, in this video we will see a Ceridian Dayforce tutorial. Ceridian Dayforce is a cloud-based human capital management HCM platform used by companies to manage HR, payroll, time tracking, benefits, and more all in one system. It helps employees and managers handle everything from checking schedules and requesting time off to running payroll and reviewing performance. To get started with Dayforce, log in using your company credentials, usually through a web browser or the Dayforce mobile app. Once logged in, your homepage shows key info like your timesheet, upcoming shifts, or pending requests depending on your role and access. To view your schedule, click on the Work or Schedule tab. You'll see a calendar view with all your upcoming shifts and any approved time off. To request time off, go to Time Away from Work or Time of Request. Click Add Request, select the date, reason, and submit it for approval. To clock in or out, use the time clock or clock icon if enabled. Tap your punch type in Out, Break, and Confirm. Manage can review and approve timesheet by going to the Team or People section, selecting employees and opening their time card. Payroll or pay stubs, go to the Earnings or Pay tab. You can view current and past pay statements, tax forms, and direct deposit info. To update personal info, like address or emergency contacts, visit Profile or My Information and click Edit. There are also dashboard and analytics tools for HR teams to track labor cost, compliance, and workforce trends. Overall, Ceridian Dayforce brings all your HR and payroll needs into one platform. It may take a bit to explore all its features, but once you get comfortable, it makes managing work life a lot easier and more organized. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.